What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV.
Welcome back.
Today we're at, he's gonna run over his spare. Yikes!
He knows it's there.
Today we're at the, what do they call this?
Revival.
TVWDRA Revival Shootout.
Ferris, Texas.
In,
Ferris, Texas.
in Ferris, which is near Dallas, but not really.
We drove, it took us 3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours. We left when it was still dark out. A lot of cars here though. It's looking really good. Everybody's getting tuned up. I think they're going to start running them down the track here pretty quick.
See a lot of friends out here. Cool. Yeah, a little chilly day.
We're going to take a quick little walk around the field. We'll show you some of the cars that showed up and then we'll get to action. Alright, we're over here with this beautiful dragster that we've seen run a couple times. He's doing really well today. And we'll see if we can get a word in with the driver here.
We gotta get going?
Oh, say hello to your fans. I was like, I'm going to talk to him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
What's that?
I just wanted you to say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
He's driving this beautiful dragster. And, man, it sounds good. It looks good. It's amazing.
Pro VW.
So he's got to get back in line though, so we'll talk to him again a little bit later. Candy made it. Look, it's Candy.
Look at this.
Oh, it's Pammy.
Look, I'm part of the racing team.
Oh, she's part of the racing team. Pretzel girl. Say something about OSHA.
You don't obey OSHA, it can shut down your workplace. And as far as you know, you don't obey OSHA, so if you get a letter from them, don't be surprised.
We found a celebrity race car driver.
Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Double O Dude from the Old German Stills channel here on YouTube.
Famous people on my channel now. First Matt Jackson and now Double O Dude.
We're making all kinds of things happen here, man. It's been a lot of fun. It's the first time I bracket raced. A lot of these people are all new to the sport, and it's a really giant event. We want to thank Clint for setting it off and really bringing everybody out.
Yeah, and as Dave Cormack says, go fast, burn gas.
Oh yeah.
Holy crap, it's loud in here. We got special in the middle access, getting all these great shots. A couple cars haven't made it yet down the track. I guess 2 out of 6 haven't made it, so it's a good day, right? Got a good crowd watching. Yeah, it's beautiful weather out here too. It's perfect. So we're having a lot of fun. But man, I forgot how loud it is down here when these cars with their giant stingers just, oh my God. So much fun though. It's amazing. So Sean's over here getting another angle from the launch. He's trying to get some wheelies. We got a couple good ones. This is only the time trials too. We're not even in the racing yet. So it's just beginning and it's gonna be a great day. Awesome.
Driver and your spectator, we need you to move your cars down.
This is our guy Bill, Double O Dude on YouTube, about to run it.
We do have racers showing up and there's nowhere for them to park. Once again, daily drivers, we need you to move to the back of the parking lot, please, on the asphalt.
We got a wet track. What happened, Tommy?
Looks like somebody motor didn't hold up as well, and we put a little oil on the track. So we're going to assess the damage, see if we need to clean up the track just for safety reasons, and if that's good to go, we'll be back to racing as soon as possible.
Is it bad to have oil on the track?
From what I understand, yes, it's bad to have oil on the track. I will say this is pretty cool. People like Clint Cox here, you put on this.
It wasn't me. Everybody showed up.
Yeah, this is a really cool, man. It makes me extremely sad that we didn't bring out a car from Austin. I'll tell you that. I cry on the way home.
Hey, I cried a little bit in the staging lanes.
Dude, I think your dad killed it. Dude. That turned out a good number.
Hey, that car runs.
It did.
I got you running. I think you got like a 9.6.
9.6. My reaction time was a .01.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah. Would you run 69 miles per hour?
Too loud over there. I need to come over here and see what Mark's cooking. What you cooking, papas? I hear food. What? I smell brisket. Brisket.
Hamburgers and hot dogs, baby, today. Yeah, we lost the fuel pump, Bogan.
It sucks, man.
Yeah.
That's racing.
We tried to replace it, put another one, but the other one was leaking. We're not going to race it. We're not worried about trying to catch fire.
Yeah, it's better to save it and run another day.
It's a good turnout, man.
Yeah, this was a good time. I'm glad we did this.
I hope we have another one next year.
He said he's having another one in like 3 months.
Sure, we might be back. Hey.
Making? Nada. Where's the margaritas machine?
You were supposed to bring that.
And Jaeger. What do you think, Clint? You having fun?
Shit, man, we're having a blast.
Is this good times?
We're having fun.
If it's not broke.
I mean, hey, we had a really good turnout, and we're moving right along like we're supposed to.
It's like 3 times more cars than I expected.
We're gonna do this again?
Oh yeah, hopefully in a couple months.
Sweet.
We may not have a $1,500 payout, but we're gonna have another race.
I think people would do it for nothing.
It's fun.
Yeah.
We're having a lot of fun.
Come out here.
Man, what a fantastic day. Race cars and such.
Awesome time on our way home to Austin.
Yeah, we had to give up a little bit early because it's a really long drive and I got to go to work tomorrow and blah, 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 grown-up stuff.
But an awesome day. Clint did a great job on the races. Just an awesome time.
Yeah, it was pretty great. I guess we missed the... Ooh, that was a good bump. We missed the final few races, but sounds like it came down to just Clint and Keith. And Clint took it. He's the winner. Big winner. He got all his own money. In old Volks news, I guess Frank made it. The blue buggy that Todd was driving. They got 4th place, so they got some money there. Just enough gas money to get out there and back, I guess. But they had a good time. They didn't break. I think they were, you know, testing out some new stuff, so they wanted to see if they had, you know, what it took. But they were running some good times and making some really solid runs. So everybody mostly was happy. There's a few guys that exploded transmissions, and our buddy with the dragster, his fuel pump crapped out right before the actual racing started, which was pretty terrible, but still got to make a few runs, so that's good news. So we're gonna head home and start going through 1,000 photos and videos that we took from all our cameras and everything. It's pretty great. It's gonna be a long one making this video, but it's worth it for you, the viewer. Right?
That's right.
He's focused on driving right now. We just had barbecue. We're all full of barbecue, so a little sleepy.
Just got an hour to go. We can do it.
So like us, comment, share, you know, all that good stuff. Leave us a comment down below though, for sure, if you like stuff like this, and we'll do some more of these videos. I think we plan on having another drag race meet. We got Lano coming up. We got the Lonestar Weekend coming up. Lots of great shows coming for us. So no more do-it-yourself fixing for a little while. We'll have some actual videos for you. There we go. So what do we say at the end of the video?
Thanks for watching.